Alam niyo po si Presidente sa New York na. Opo.
Kaya ng nanay niya.
Yes, pero I'm sure meron naman na kayong mga ideya kung sino siya bago kayo nagkakilala.
Oo, actually, there's a funny story to that, but after when we became close, sabi namin, buti lang we didn't meet in Manila kasi we never would have gotten, di ba, ang daming tao. In New York kasi, nung nakilala kami, may boyfriend siya, may boyfriend, may girlfriend siya, may boyfriend din ako. So talagang kaibigan lang kami. And then one thing led to another, and then we're going grocery together. So talagang yung ordinary life, walang keme-keme. That's why now, maski na nung sabihin nila, friends pa rin kami, di ba?
Kumbaga nag-start as friends talaga.
Friends. It's always naman about friendship, di ba?
So gaano ka-importante yun sa isang mag-asawa that you started as good friends?
That's the basis, di ba? Parang that's the, kumbaga that's your foundation. So we're still friends up to now.
Meron din ba, I'm sure meron din po kayong mga disagreements. Ano po yung pangkaraniwang mga disagreements ninyo?
Walang mag-disagree to disagree, and then we're friends. Kaya nung meron akong, may nagsabi sa akin, sinuntok daw niya ako. Sabi ko, ha? Or ako nagsuntok.
Sinapak yung araw.
Parang naman, parang liwayway movie yan, ha? Parang, hello, invent some more. Parang, di ba if you're friends, ikaw ba sinuntok mo yung misis mo?
And ako, kung ano po yun, palagay ko, wakas na ng pagsasama namin yun. Saka hindi po ako sa ganda ba naman ng misis ko, magagawa ko bang saktan?
Sa ganda ko ba? Sa palagay mo, susutukin ko?
Palagay ko, kung masasapak din ako.
As ka, me to hit my husband? Oh my God, that will be the day.
Actually, buti binanggit niyo yan. Ang daming ang ganyan mga lumito, no?
Yeah, give me the best.
Okay, puntahan natin yung isa na yun.
First,
yung
under
Desaya, si Presidente Marcos. Opo.
Ano ba yun? Tawang-tawa ko na. You know, they say you judge a person from what they did in their life, di ba?
Opo.
Look at my father-in-law. Sa dami nilang sinabi tungkol sa kanya. Now, what he did, he really loved the country and people can see it, di ba? Hindi na uso yung pagpapatikos. If your premise is you judge somebody from what they did, from what they did, di ba? You can tell naman. So, nakilala ko si Bong. Nasa New York ako. Bigla na lang, from New York, I went to Ilocos. Medyo ang layo. We stayed there 9 years. Di ba? So I went there because alam ko naman, may political ambitions. Tapos nagkaanak kami, 3. Tapos sabi niya, our kids should go to boarding school in London. Sabi ko, honey, why? I don't want them to be entitled. They have to take the subway, they have to take the bus. Eh ako naman, never ako nag-boarding school. Alam mo, masakit yan. Yung parang at 11, at 10, papadala mo yung mga anak mo.
So, bahala siya sa buhay nila, parang gano'n?
Hindi, parang, because that's the school he went to. Kaya si Bong hindi spoiled. Bibigyan kayo ng allowance, tapos they'll only kick you out if you steal, if you cheat, or you bully. Eh ako, I never went to boarding school, so parang, you know how painful that is for me? But, that's what my husband wants. So, sige, yan ba yung under?
Siya ang nasusunod.
Facebook at Instagram, sa palagay mo, under yan. There's so many changes in my life that I did for him. And for me, mga batikos, siya 30 years ko nung 1,500 days na nagtugo. Kaya-kaya ko yan.
So, mas nasasaktan kayo doon kapag tinatawag na under si Presidente Marcos?
Actually, nung umpisa, kasi nga private ako nasaktan ako. Pero the lies became more and more stupid, right? It's like, oh my God, ano pa naman kayo? Maawa naman kayo sa sarili niyo. Imagine, you're gonna wake up in the morning, paano kung sisiraan si ganito, si ganyan. Di naman ganun ang Pinoy, di ba? Mabait tayo. Ayan, Mrs. President daw ako. Ganun ba? Tanong mo sa isang cabinet secretary kung nag-attend ako ng isang cabinet meeting. I think the only when Bong was inaugurated July, his birthday was September.
Yes.
Eh, wala naman pong alam that time, di ba? So sabi ko, can I just go in without Bong? I stayed for 1 minute. All I said was, hi everyone, I just want to invite you to Bong's birthday. It's a surprise. Pero akong nahiya, umalis na. That's it. That's the first and only time. Does that look like a Mrs. President to you?
At lahat ng mga appointments ngayon ay ina-attribute po sa inyo. Kayo daw po ang nag-a-appoint.
Lahat
reaction
sila.
niyo? Opo.
If I'm in charge of that, lahat sila patay. Ako pa? No.
Opo.
Like recently, yung
Yes, yung governor ng Davao del Norte was suspended and kayo po ang tinuturo doon.
Do I even know that governor? I am the worst politician. You know, Bong calls me the ambassador of badwill. Why, honey? Kasi yung mayor, kunyari Mayor Juan, so sabihin, Mayor Kulas, basta yung pangalan is wrong. I get it wrong. You know, politics, you have to like it, di ba? You have to make bola, you have to know how to, hindi ako ganun eh. So, 1,500 days.
So, nagbibilang kayo. Yung number of days na natitira na nandiyan po kasi.
Kasi abogado ako eh. So, kunyari may kaso ko, bibilangin mo yan eh. Anong beginning, anong yung middle, anong yung end ng kaso. Hindi pwede forever na dyan ka, di ba?
Opo.
Dapat para sa kliyente, di ba, at the end, dapat mag-succeed ka naman. All my life, that's my... So, when I count, it's like, yung project kong, let's say, Presidential Museum, di ba? Dapat may ending yan, di ba? So, I count only because I want those projects to be finished. And siguro naman, I hope in 1,500 days, I will be remembered for these projects that will outlive ourselves. Instead of all this paninira and all that. Even my husband, he will be judged according to the bridge that he did, diba? The roads that he,
As I was saying po, meron po kaming napansin na parang may attachment kayo sa cultural preservation. Dati pa, meron kayong museo sa Ilocos Norte, tapos ngayon sa Malacanang, meron kayong pinag-akakaabalahan dyan. Matagal nyo na bang tipo itong tungkol sa kultura?
Before kasi, we used to do real estate development, okay? So when you want to develop a place, first you start with a myth, okay? So, in Ilocos, inano namin yung museum kasi mayabang yung Ilocano. Ano bang buhay ng Ilocano? Anong ginagawa nila? So yung museum namin, may weaving ganon, the fishermen, proud sila. So when people come here, malalaman nila, di ba? O eto yung Ilocano, ganyan, masipag, industrious, blah, 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 blah. And then after that, the tourism comes, the infrastructure. So, may myth na tungkol, not a myth, may story na tungkol sa Ilocano. So, ngayon naging first lady ako. So, sabi ko, bakit ganon? Bakit yellow ka or pink or red? Wala naman, ano yan eh, tapos ng eleksyon. Dapat, we have to love our country. Kawawa naman si Quezon, si Laurel, si Rojas.
Yes.
So, nung pumunta ako sa Malacanang, nakita ko yung Presidential Museum, sabi ko, bakit nandito? Ilang tao makapunta sa Malacanang, di ba? May PSG ka pa, may So, ninagay ko yung buong museum sa labas ng Malacanang, okay? Yung nagtulong sa amin, conservatory from UST, the same people that did, nakapunta ka ba?
Sa Ilocos?
Hindi, sa
dito po
Teos.
sa Malacanang, di ba?
Pupunta ka. Alam mo, we get 6,000 people. Libre to, ha? So, you enter, na dyan si Laurel, lahat ng presidente, galingan, Cory, yung mga estudyante, talagang umiiyak, talagang, how naman can you love your country, di ba? Kung hindi mo mahal yung presidente mo. Isipin mo, yan lang, ganun lang kasimple. If you were red for Marcos before, if you were yellow, tapos ng election, di ba? So, tatlong museum yan. Yung una, yung Ugnayan, that's the road to Malacanang. Can you bring your family, please? That's the road to Malacanang. There's a study kasi. The reason why Filipinos always make Bato the new president is because they don't know anything about the president. So we put this museum kay Bong, di ba? But if you look at it, lahat cut and paste. So when after the inauguration, when nag-proclaim na the next president, aalisin namin lahat yan, ilalagay yung bagong president. So there's 30 days Oy, alamin naman yun yung bagong presidente ninyo.
yeah.
Pero huwag ninyo na i-bash, di ba? I-ano ninyo. And then the next one is Teus. Yan yung lahat ng presidente. So we get 6,000. You know, I noticed the youth, they don't know history. Basta bakbakan. So ngayon, since hit na hit yung sa Teus, iduduplicate namin sa Baguio Mansion House. Ilalagay namin dyan. Para lahat ng turista sa Baguio, makikita nila. Libre to, ha? And me, I'm so proud kasi people are saying, so after we put that up, inimbita namin lahat ng heirs ng mga presidente o magbigay naman kayo ng barong or yung mga lahat naman sila nagbigay, di ba?
Napaka-importante ng merong alam yung tao sa kanyang gobyerno, sa kanyang mga pinuno. Kaya naiinggit ako sa mga Singaporean
O, di ba?
Sumakay ka ng taxi sa Singapore, mag-grab ka sa Singapore, kukwentuhan ka ng mga drivers na mga matatanda na dyan about
Tapos bawal sa kanila. Like in Bangkok, to talk bad about whoever the leader is. Di ba? They're very educated because they know their past.
Ang sabi po nila, ang laking advantage kapag ka ang First Lady ay lawyer.
Okay
At
lang ba
yan
yan?
daw po yung experience ni Bill Clinton at saka po nitong si Barack Obama. Tapos kayo, kauna-unahan kayong, how do you feel about it po?
How do I feel? O, ayan na, you're talking about being under the saya,
Yeah,
di ba? So ako, my whole life, I work. So nung naging presidente, in my stint as a lawyer in the Philippines, si Erap, di ba, yung partner ko dati, si Ed Serapio, siya yung nag-aano. So alam namin, professionally nung si Noy, si Jojo Ochoa, yung partner,
Yes.
siya yung So yun, panood ni Bong, sabi ko, naku patay, eto na. They're going to, di ba, eto na, ayusan dito, ayusan dyan. So I gave up my law firm. You know how painful that was for me? Parang, I spoke to my partner. So syempre, as a lawyer, pipirma kayo, dear client, we're leaving you, ganyan. So the original partners agreement was, I'll come back in 6 years. Di ba? Kasi you have to divest. Nung inisip ko, I'll be 17, 6 years. Sabi ko, sa inyo na. So, wala na.
Hindi na kayo babalik.
At saka we dissolved it na.
dissolve yung most,
No, that's M&A, Marcos and Associates.
Opo.
The most was during Erap's time.
Opo.
This is Marcos and Associates. So I dissolved it. We all dissolved it a month before Boget swore in. Tapos ngayon, sasabihin nila, I'm smuggling. May deal kami dito.
Yes.
Gusto sabihin, I gave up my law firm. Di ba, if you're going to do that, sana I kept na lang my law firm. Mas madali pa. So, is it a plus being a lawyer? I don't know. Depends what kind of lawyer you are.
Pero alam naman natin na during the campaign, your being a lawyer helped a lot.
I think my being organized.
Okay. Opo.
Organized. At saka mabait kasi si Bong Ako pag ayoko. Talagang I'm very professional that way. I have a rule in my house. If you stay with me 6 months, you'll stay with me forever. Lahat ng tao nakikita mo dito, 10 years, 20 years. Di ba may loyalty award kami every year? Siguro naman, hindi kami masamang tao if they last that long, di ba?
So how important is loyalty to you?
Super important. Super. Loyalty and kindness. That's my two,
Opo.
You have to be kind, di ba? You know, when people talk bad or they, parang, ew, bad karma yan.
Kayo po ay nabalita na wala daw kayong pasensya. Saan kayo walang pasensya?
For me, parang, just do the job, di ba? Do the job, I won't, but don't make sira this person kasi tamad ka or make sira that person, di ba? So that's why I say 6 months. You ask anyone that worked for me. They'll stay 10, 20 years. You know, it's like what my mother taught us. If you go to the room of the katulong and you go like that, tapos pangit yung parang ganon, you have to treat them well Parang may malasakit, di ba? Yan lang. I'm not saying I'm perfect. Did I ever shout at everyone? Never. Never. I don't shout. I don't make mura. I don't make suntok my husband. Pero malalaman mo, pag ayoko, hindi kita kakausapin.
So yun ang paraan nyo. To get rid of a person, you don't talk to him or her?
I'll tell somebody to tell. First, I'll talk to them. You know, there's deliverable, ganito, is there anything ano. But do the job, di ba? Pinaka-hate ko yung maninira ka ng kapwa para bida ka, di ba? Ano yan?
Pero ma'am, binibilang niyo yung araw na kaya medyo interesado ako doon. Kasi laging sinasabi na, well, may nagsabi pa nga na you are planning to stay here forever.
Where?
Sa Malacanang, si Presidente daw po, kaya may chacha and all.
No, my favorite is I'm doing Love for All because I'm going to run for Senate. Sabi ko, pati ba naman yan? Nilagyan ng... So, the Love for All, it started because I teach in Iloilo, di ba? Palyan, dadating 2 o'clock. Yung class ko, 5 o'clock. Ang gagawin from 2 to 5. So, sige, let's distribute whatever, ganyan-ganyan. Because my dad's from there, di ba? Tapos, nakikita yung mga tao naka-wheelchair. So, talagang naano ako. So, then, naging Love for All. That's how it started. Kasi I have to wait 2 hours before 3 hours for my class. So, we go to Love for All. And then, they say, kasi tatakbo ako, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi ko, parang ang layo niya na. And, you know, when I go there, it's maiiyak ka talaga when you see the people. Yung naka-wheelchair, ano ba naman yan? Di ba you're in a position to give them something, di ba? Konting picture, it's the importance you give them. And so talking about, I'm going to use that to run, alam mo, I'll tell you a story. From New York, I went to Ilocos. Our house was, this is Paway, this is Lawag. Ano yan, yung bahay namin sa gitna. So I could either run as the governor's wife in Paway or Lawag. 9 years kami dyan, ha?
Yes.
Every election, kesyo, nasuspend ito, tatakbo ako. Either way, namatay, ako tatakbo. Alam mo, gusto kong sabihin, because I teach election law, alam mo kayo, hindi ako registered voter. Mag-isip naman kayo ng konti. Di ba? That's rude. Extend your brain just a little bit. If I'm not a registered voter, how can I run in either? So this one's chicken feed. I'm sure you know, mas mahirap yung local. I only registered the last term of both. Kasi tapos na. Pero imagine, every election, tatakbo si ma'am. Yung asawa ng governor. Talaga, sure na yan.
So, walang kahit minsan hindi nyo naisip to run for public office?
Me? I get the mayor's name wrong. You know, politics, look at Sandro, magaling siya di ba, British, I just talk. I just joke and that's the wrong way. Anyway.
Pero yung pag nakita niyo yung mga tao dyan sa Love for All na yan, alin yung pinaka touching na